With those of you who are asking who want to see the damage from 84 lumber up close, I'll show you. And I don't know if you know, but the point of seal coating is to seal up the driveway from water from getting down within it and cracking it, especially with the Pennsylvania winters. Well, because 84 lumber was in my driveway, you can see cracks have opened up. Ones that have already been filled. Not 3 months ago when I did it. I mean, they're open again. It was just done. You can still, look at that. You can still see all the marks from the truck in my driveway, and it's wet. That's why I did the video. But these new cracks have appeared, along with old ones opening up. This whole seam has reopened. And I guarantee it's going to cause even more damage over the winter because it's going to freeze. But here's the most important part. That sign has been there for 5 years. Yet, they neglected it. Used my driveway anyways. All the cracks reopening up because their heavy truck was in my driveway using it as a turnaround. That's good business, people.